Students, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine. I'm here with the chapter 9, A Bicycle in Good Repair, and it's written by Joram K. Joram. In this story, we'll come to know the narrator and his friend. Both of them, they plan to go for a bicycle ride, but before they go, something happened. It was looked by his friend and asked and observed and noticed that it has some fault. So because of that, he started repairing and going through it. So because of that, they got late, and finally we'll come to know whether the cycle was repaired, whether they had a bicycle ride or not. We'll come to know. So this is the story. So in the evening, one evening, both of them, they decided next day they will go for a bicycle ride, and on the next day the narrator came early in the garden. He was waiting and he saw that actually by whom it was proposed, by whom it was decided to go for a bicycle ride, he only not there, but the narrator, he reached early. He waited there, and when he reached there after an hour, he just looked at the cycle and said, "How does it run?" And the narrator answered, "How others are running, this only runs." And in the morning, it runs very smoothly, but after the lunch, it doesn't run so smoothly. It a little. Not faster or not smoothly than the morning. So he looked at the cycle and he said, he hold the bicycle and then hold the wheel of it and just shook it violently, and the narrator said, "Why are you doing that? Don't do so. As I'm the owner of this bicycle, I could do so, but you don't do so. It will hurt." I felt such I should had started shaking my dog. He said, such as you are shaking my dog. If you are shaking my dog, doesn't matter, but if you are shaking my bicycle, you don't do so. And the front wheel oval, he said that front wheel is ovaling, so it is to be checked properly, it is to be fixed properly, otherwise it may cause a dangerous situation, it may cause accident. So he asked, just bring a hammer, and he went to the shed to get one hammer. And as he was asking too many questions, so the narrator thought maybe he is having knowledge of this particular business. So he went to the shed and tried to find out a hammer, but he didn't get. And when he came out, he saw that the man was lying on the ground, and with his two legs, the wheel was between his two legs, and he was just playing with that wheel and rotating with his fingers. And seeing that, he said, "Why are you doing so? You are wasting time, you will get tired, and let us set it as it is and let us move." He said, "We may as well, what is the matter? Let me check what is the matter, what is the fault in the cycle, otherwise we may face accident." So because of that, he tried to check, and in between he unscrew all the parts and started looking into the matter and tried to check all the parts. He was quite excited about them, and we groveled around all for an hour and found 16. He said he hoped we had got them, because it would make a serious difference to the machine. I put them for safety. So he said, no, let me check. It doesn't matter if I am checking, if I am going through properly. Hardly it will take few minutes, and I will set it for our safety only, and let me check properly. Then this is the cycle. See how he is doing like this, the way of checking. And after checking, when he started, it's just about to fall on the road, And here also see the pic how he is checking his cycle. Almost all parts are unscrewed and he is trying to check all the parts and all. And the narrator, he was just trying to stop him ki don't do so, why are you doing all these things, and it's okay, totally okay, but why are you finding this many problem of my cycle. And then his sense just trying to stop him. He was thinking I should stop him before he do mischief with my cycle, but he was not able to say. You right to protect your own property from rages of a lunatic. Take him by the scarf and kick him out of the gate. I am weak when I come to hurt others' feelings, and I let him muddle on. So he was thinking, I am not able to see how he is doing all these things, and it should not happen. Why he is doing all these things? I was thinking I should kick him out of the gate, and unexpectedly why he is doing all these things, why he is fixing, trying, unscrewing, and why he is doing. I'm not ready to allow him. But he didn't do so. He was not able to say. He tightened it till it would not next the loosened it. Oh, he was doing unscrewing and tightening till it next he loosened it. Another part also he is making this way. He was making another part also loose until it was twice as it before how it was. He was trying to make it just double of it. And then he said we had better out getting the front wheel back into the fork open, and he worried with at the end of 10 minutes I suggested should hold the fork and that I should the wheels and change places. He was saying that this wheel should be this side and this wheel should be this side, and this way he was just changing the parts from here to there to the position also changing and trying to fix it up again. And he is laughing, that narrator. He was in tense, why he is doing like this, why unnecessarily you are doing all this work, it's not the way to work and it's not required. My cycle is totally way okay, and unnecessarily why you are doing like this. We have a plan to go for a cycle ride and you are doing all these things, then when we'll go, you must get it back, and don't do so. And he was not listening, he was doing, and the writer, he was thinking, the narrator, he was thinking, oh my god, what he is doing, it should not he should not do this. And it needed hardly to be added, it really did wobble. And he said no, it will wobble and it may cause accident, and don't stop me, let me do. This way the conversation of these two were going on, and they were not satisfied by each other. He was not happy with his friends as he was doing here. In the case he was changing and he is fixing this one, and again he is refix, and this is not the way he was not liking. But what to do? Then he stood it against a tree and worked from the onside. Again it set near the tree, and there also he started working. Then still I held it for him. He was saying don't do so, but the man, he was not ready. He was just to fix the parts and trying to refix like this way. I was glad to see short spirit. The man, he was doing so much work, and why he is doing with my machine means the bicycle he was not knowing, and he was just forgetting they have to go for a bicycle ride, but he was just on the work how to fix it and how to make it proper. And this way they were continuously doing all these things. And finally the bicycle is firmly fixed between his legs, but his triumph would be short-lived. The narrator saw he has fixed the wheels, but he was knowing it will not work for a longer time. Short-lived triumph, as he said ki, yes, I have fixed all these things. By a sudden movement, it would free itself and turning upon him, hit him sharply over the head with one of his handles, all quarter to one. Now in between something happened, the cycle is on its, and like that they got hurt, bleeding was also there, and totally they were dirty. All these things were happening, and rose and wiped again. They cleaned themselves and get down again. They sat like this when they were doing, which had received most punishment. It would have been difficult to say. I took him into the back kitchen where, so far as was possible, he cleaned himself. So finally I took him to the kitchen. I asked him to clean yourself and stop all these things, and it's enough, don't do so. Then I sent him home. Then I asked him, you just go home, it's enough, now you go home. So this way it was happening. They planned to go for a bicycle ride, but it was not done, and it was just quarter to 1 o'clock, and he was thinking, the narrator was thinking, oh my god, we planned to go for a bicycle ride, but it didn't happen because of this repairing and all. The person, he was very curious to look into the matter. The cycle, it was totally okay, but he was just doing something wrong with it, and finally it stopped. It was not work properly. The parts he fixed in a proper way, so it didn't work. They got spoiled. They were finally they stopped, and he sent him home. Go through the new words, hard words, whichever words and meanings are there in the book. You have to learn these words from your books, from your textbook only, and be ready for that. It may come for fill in the blanks MCQ like that, so you have to go through that properly. Okay, thank you so much.